What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another short video. This is Vance, your host. Hey, if you're a scrapper like I am, don't throw away your dryers before you take the back off, and I'll show you why. Let me get y'all set up here. Yeah, there you go. All I gotta do is get a pair of nut drivers. You can also save these screws here. Screws are expensive, but I'm not going to today. Oh. I hit the jackpot. Let me get y'all turned around here. I'll just turn the camera. Look at all that goodness in there. Look at all that. It was just falling out. It's like a slot machine, man. What's this? Oh, that's one of those junk drive things. Yeah, quarters, pennies. There's some dime. Another dime. What you want to do, bring this back. That might have been the problem with this one. It's off. I don't know where it goes. Well, I'm going to pause this for a minute, shake this dryer real good, and see if we can't find some more money. Stay tuned. I'll tell you how much we found. So here is my haul. $1, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 86, 7, and 8. $1.88. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. That would have been $1.87 right here. That would have gone to the junkyard, and no telling what happened. I mean, our children would be finding it with metal detectors later on. But the children have plenty of money, so this is going in my bank. So I know it don't seem like a lot to y'all, but money's money, so you got to get it when you can. Hope this little tip helps, and open your drawers up, find you some money. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like the video, and leave me a comment. We'll see y'all in the next